Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn profile layout using Canva for hiring managers, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Canva website. Once logged in, click on the search bar at the top of the home page. Type LinkedIn banner into the search bar. Select the LinkedIn banner template from the drop-down options. Browse through the available templates to find one that aligns with your professional brand. Click on your chosen template to open it in the Canva editor. Use the toolbar on the left to customize the template. First, replace the default text with your own name and job title. Choose a font that is professional and easy to read. Next, adjust the colors to match your personal or company branding. Click on the background to change its color or swap it for an image. To add an image, click on the Uploads tab and upload your professional photo. Drag and drop your image onto the design. Resize and position your photo to fit well within the layout. Now, add any additional text, such as a tagline or your skills. Use icons if needed to highlight particular skills or certifications. If appropriate, incorporate your company logo to personalize your banner. Review your design for clarity and professionalism. Once satisfied, click the download button at the top right corner of the screen. Select the file type you prefer, like PNG or JPG. Now, return to LinkedIn and log into your profile. Navigate to your profile section and click on the banner area. Select the option to upload a new banner. Choose the file you just downloaded from Canva. Click Apply to set your new banner. Finally, ensure your profile picture and banner complement each other visually. Review your LinkedIn profile to make sure everything looks professional. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.